the arriving MARC train. I should have the Amtrak Vermonter coming from the south momentarily, so I don't want to get distracted. So far I'm having a bit of difficulty kind of getting in sync with when these trains are arriving. At home I can see the Silver Meteor and the Floridian coming from, you know, all the way when they're up in Sebring, and I have a really good idea about when they're going to come and when they're going to arrive, and I can talk them in from 4 miles away, and they're only doing 80 miles an hour. Alright, so here we go. This is what I mean. This is the Vermonter coming, and it's gonna frickin' nice on this track next to us. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna get a good pass here. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I came here to do. Finally. It's going kind of slow this morning, but we got that. That was a good pass. Awesome. Yeah, that just made my day. I was starting to worry about if I was going to get anything usable here. All right. It's what time is it? It's about It's about 8:30. I got to the BWI station at a little before 7. Stayed there for a little bit and decided to come down here. And it's just hard getting in a rhythm here. Now, I should have up next, I should have a Northeast Regional southbound and a Acela southbound, and that should be all within the next 45 minutes.